shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer, here at today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for April 27th, 2020. I can't believe it's the last week of April, you guys. Went by so fast, especially when you're in lockdown, right? Well, hope May brings some good things moving forward here. But we got one more week to trade for the month. If you've had a great month, don't mess it up. Take off the week. Today, we are going to be bullish above 287 for the SPY. Yep, you can see we've held this trend line, and there's a lot of room to push up. So watch that 287 level going to be key. We're going to be bearish below 283.75 for a retracement trade. All right. If you have not signed up for my free webinar, go ahead tomorrow. It's going to be at 11 o'clock Eastern. You definitely want to sign up for that. I'm going to go over the whispers, the dark pool app, how to profit off of it, the best way to day trade, the best way to swing trade. So you don't want to miss that. It will be recorded if you cannot attend live, as long as you register. All right, so let's go to the E-minis. The E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 28.65 and bearish below 28.40 for those E-minis. The Russell really took a long time to get volume this morning, but the chart looks good. Bullish above 124.50, bear below 123.25. And the NASDAQ took a nice leap. Look at that overnight momentum on it. Yep, 217.50, next big level above us. Yeah, it loves to trade on those $2.50 increments. So bear below 215 for a retracement. Let's go to those NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures. We have pre-market volume that came in between 88.47 and 88.80. So we are just testing the top of that pre-market, which is pretty cool because you can see a lot of volume just came in on that retest of 880. 888. So that's going to be really key. You can see if I just draw a line here, right? This is where they've been selling in this area. Yep, so we'll be bullish above that today and bear below 88.40. The Dow futures, bullish above 24,000 and bearish below 23,780. Let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil futures. This 14 level is so key. It's trying to hang on by a thread. Yep, so we're going to be bearish below 14 and only bullish above 15. Yeah, major level. I always like that V-shape recovery. Breaking above a major level being 15. The $5 increments are really powerful, and buying on the way up through it. But right now, we are unable to hold on to that 14 level. So that is bearish. Let's look at the gold futures. Gold futures. We are going to be bullish above 17.45, above this pivot. And we're going to be bearish below 17.25, below S1. Yeah, so for me, this is a no trade zone. Waiting for either a breakout or a breakdown here on the gold futures. You know, that 17.50. Let's just show you that weekly chart once again. Probably so sick of me showing this to you. But this is it. You know, we up thrusted last week. See that wick there? Yeah, whenever you see wicks on the top, it's selling, it's selling, it's selling. Wicks on the bottom are buying. So they sold at the end of the week, and we are below this trend line once again. Now, if we could close above it, have a clean close without a wick like that, that would be bullish. So stay tuned for that. Let me put these guys away. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. Beyond. Lots of volume this morning, and yep, we tagged the VWAP. See that yellow line on my daily chart? Yep, that's powerful on a daily or weekly chart. We actually tagged it as well on the weekly, the yellow. So that's pretty big resistance right there. Only bullish if we can break a back above that $5 increment level. Again, there we are, that 115. On the way up if volume increases. Bearish below 107.50. All right, if we go below here, then there's a shot that we might go and actually fill this gap in. So those are my trades. Bullish above here. Yeah, so this is a no trade zone. Yeah, we had, look, what I looked at on the 5-minute chart were these two moving averages, the 200 simple and the 200 exponential on a 5-minute chart. They're so powerful when it comes to day trading that you don't want to ever go short, as it's coming down to it. That's usually going to bounce and do one of those things, or it might there and hover a little bit. Really, if it goes below that, and that's why, they're going to move, but that's why I moved it to 107.50. Earlier, they're around about 108. They've kind of moved up a little bit, but yeah, bearish below that. So I would watch those if you were looking to short this today. All right, let's go to the next one. Zoom. Got some competition coming around the corner. Yeah, really bearish close. Look at that selling volume. Yeah, we've retraced back down to the 8 EMA today. If we can bounce up bullish above 157.50 for a tracement to person's pivot, or bear below 150. So if it can hold on and it does go below this 150, that's going to be bearish right there. Facebook. Yep, gapping up today. Is it going to be a gap and go scenario? So bullish above 194.50, bear below 192.50. Tilray, thanks to Jane, who pointed out the short squeeze capabilities. Yeah, possibilities of having that happen. There's a lot of people short on this, a lot of big volume coming in. So we're going to be bullish above 882 today. Just keep in mind, we are going to have a traffic jam probably at this 50 simple moving average. Yeah, the first time it gets there, there's going to be sellers. If it can break above that, there's clear skies ahead. So that's why I gave you that first trade to 9, which has 50 simple moving average. Let's see if they're even loaded. Yeah, there's a seller at 895. See that? And at 9 on the iNet. And there's some sellers loaded on the ARCA book. Yeah, so that's the big trade is above that if they squeeze it. All right, so let's see. I know if you were short this stock, right? Put yourself in the other trader's position. If I was short, I wouldn't be short. But if I was short, where would I cover? Well, I'd probably be taking pain right now and say, well, it's probably going to stop at this 50 simple moving average. They might even short more. Hey, if you were bearish down here, yep. So they might short more, and then when it goes above the 50, that's when the squeeze play is on. So just keep that in mind. That's where they would cover, most likely. All right, let's go to APA. Apache, we're going to be bullish above 1082 and bearish below 10 for Apache. They had pre-market volume this morning. Okay, Boeing. Ned's got a question. When you day trade, you don't go short? Of course I do, Ned. Did you not see my SPY trade the other day? Pre-market. Last Monday, I went short. It was in my Dark Pool Insights, by the way. Over the weekend, I ran you through that trade. Yeah, I absolutely go short. I go both directions depending on the price action. So Boeing, we're going to be bullish above 137 and bearish below 130 for Boeing. And let's go to Apple. Apple earnings are coming out this week, you guys, on Thursday. So it could have a nice pre-earnings momentum. Again, don't misconstrue if it goes up, the earnings are going to be good, or if it goes down, the earnings are going to be bad. A lot of times they fake you out beforehand. It's best to trade before it comes out, then stop into the earnings, and then after earnings comes out. All right, those are your best trades, but trying to guess what it's going to do with the high implied volatility into earnings is just not a good game to play. So bullish above 286.50 and bear below 282 for Apple. And our last one is Tesla. Tesla bullish above 745, clear skies ahead, and bearish below 725 for Tesla. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for April 27th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.